Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's vlog. So I got a new table for my workspace arrangement. I wanted a really nice table, but unfortunately I got a table which is not even like a table. I mean, it's a masterpiece honestly, and I'll show you the masterpiece in a few minutes. But before any of that, let me quickly give you the context as to why I got this masterpiece in the first place. So the thing is, if you have watched my desk setup video, then you would know that I don't really have a proper desk or a study table. I had this really ancient tea table that I use as a workspace arrangement. So I spend a lot of time on my laptop and I use that table as the workspace arrangement, and I have to sit on the floor to work. Now I don't have any problem with sitting on the floor. I really like it, but the thing is that I need some back support. Otherwise what happens is that my back starts aching and I anyway end up working on my bed because it's more convenient and comfortable like that. So that's why I thought that it's time that I finally get a proper table. So yeah, that was the main reason why I got this masterpiece in the first place. Now the thing is, in my room I don't have a lot of space. Like, I have very limited space and I could only spare 2 feet in my room for the table, and not more than that, because if the table gets bigger then I will have to shift my bed, and if I shift my bed then I won't be able to open my almirah. So that was a big problem, and that's why I could not buy any table from Amazon or Pepperfry, because I was not sure if I will get a table in this size or not. Even like in other shops, the offline shops that I have around here, the local shops, no one had a table that was so small. Like 2 feet is actually very small, right? So this was a big problem, and that's why we went to this carpenter to get a table made in this particular size, a custom size table. So yeah, so he told us that he will make a table out of old wood, and I thought that it's really nice. I mean, it's sustainable. He will use old wood. Who needs new wood? I didn't want anything fancy, by the way. I just wanted a functioning table that looked like a table and not the way it looks right now. So yes, I didn't have any extravagant expectations with the table. I wanted a very simple table that would be decent enough, but what I got in exchange is like beyond my expectations. It's a masterpiece and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So this is the table that I've got, and this is how it looks. By the way, the table was like this tall and I got the legs cut, so now at least it's the ideal size, and this is how it looks. Very old and battered and ugly looking, and what even is this? ये है क्या? मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. But yeah, well, this is all that we have got. And when it comes to the surface, it's definitely very battered and it looks very ugly and pathetic. So overall, it's definitely not a good table. So I will definitely have to work a lot to make this look presentable and something that I can use. And this is the drawer. By the way, I got this part remade because it looked really hideous. So yes, let's see what we can do with this one. I just hope that this will look better than what it's looking right now. And the most weird part is this thing. Like, what even is this? So overall, this table is like pretty bad, and I don't even know what to say. I'm laughing, but when I saw it, I was shocked, like so shocked. I was speechless. And by the way, what you just saw over here, this entire panel is missing from this side. Like on this side, there is nothing. So I just don't understand what kind of masterpiece is this and who taught this carpenter to make tables. So yes, this is the situation right now, and this is all I've got, and I'll try my best to make this table look decent and presentable. I still don't know what exactly I will do with the table, like how I will paint it, the design and the pattern and whatsoever. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. I really hope that the table will turn out fine and nice. Yes, so let's get started. Now I'm sure you would want to know how much I spent on this table. So this table costed me 1700 rupees, and I don't know if that's a big amount for you. Like if you live in Bangalore or Mumbai, I don't think 1700 is a lot of money. Maybe you will not get anything in that amount of money, but where I live in the outskirts of Kolkata, and over here I think 1700 is a good amount of money, and I was not expecting this. And if the carpenter couldn't make one, then he could have just told us that yes, I can't do that. So anyway, I don't really have anything else to say. I will just start working on this now, and I'll show you what exactly I got to paint this table. So if you have anything like this, maybe you can also turn it into something functional. So yeah, now let's get started. So I got a wood primer from Asian Paints, and it costed me 112 rupees, and it has 500 ml of primer. Then next I got the color for the table. It's also from Asian Paints, premium enamel gloss, and it costed me 156 rupees, again 500 ml, and this is the color. So the name of this color is Aquamarine, and this seemed good, so I bought this. And then I got the gold metallic paint from Asian Paints again. This is like 50 ml, and this costed me 68 rupees, but I'm sure that he only took like 60 rupees for this. Along with these three, I also got the tarpin ka tel. I mean, yes, I think we call it turpentine oil in English, I'm not very sure, but whatever. This is 200 ml, and these are all the things that I've got. So let's get started. For brush, I have this one. This is like a very old brush, and I'm going to use this one. It's a little hard, so I don't know if it will be good enough, but if it does not work, then I'll go and buy a new one. But I think I'll just start with this one first. Hey guys, so this is the day after, and this is what the table looks like right now. I used up the entire primer bottle that was of 500 ml, and I think the table already looks so much better just with the primer, and I feel like this is going to turn out well. Hey guys, so there is a slight change in plan. So initially I told you that I'm going to paint the table green. I also showed you the color. It was in the shade Aquamarine, and it looked nice, but after seeing the table with the primer on, I feel like I should paint it white. And yeah, I don't really know how the entire thing will look, but I'm going to paint it white for now and then do some designs. So there is something in my mind, but I'm not very sure whether it will look good or not, but I have to try. So yes, I'm not going to paint the table green anymore. I'm going to paint it white, and I've got some other colors as well for the design that I have like visualized. So let's see how that works. I'll show you the paints that I've got, and let's see what happens. So fingers crossed. I just hope that everything will go as per the plan, and yeah, I just hope I will not mess this up. So let's see what happens. So I got these new paint cans. The first one is the white color, for the base of the table. And this everything is from Asian Paints, by the way. The MRP says 152, but the shopkeeper took only 130 rupees. Then we have the sky blue color and the lilac color. This one was for 75 rupees and the sky blue one was for 70 rupees. Even though like the MRP says something else, the MRP is 78, but he took 75 for the lilac one, and for the sky blue one he took only 70 rupees. So these are the three things that I got. And then I also have the green color that I already showed you initially. So first we will paint the table with white, and then we will go ahead and do the design thing, which I'm not sure about. So let's get started. In case you have any doubts, this is the bill and you can see it for yourself. I have like folded it so that you don't get to see the address. So another thing is a new paint brush from Jupiter's. It is a flat painting brush, 2 inches, and this is what it looks like. It came for 65 rupees and I'm sure you can get it from anywhere. Hey guys, so it's the next day and this is what the table looks like right now. I painted it yesterday 2 times. The first time I showed you, and then I recoated it in the night. So this is what it looks like, completely opaque, and it definitely looks much better than before. This is the side part that was looking so bad initially, but now I think it looks much better. So now we will start with the design, and for that I will need a masking tape. I wanted a thinner one, like half of this one, but I did not get any. This is what I have, so I will use this one and I will tape everything and then I will show it to you. Hey guys, so after putting the masking tape, I have decided where I will put which color. So I clicked a picture and then used Instagram to decide which color will go where. So this is the plan and let's get started. Hey guys, so the painting work is now finished and this is what it looks like. The colors look pretty opaque and I did 4 to 5 coats of the colors. So for the sky blue one and the purple one I did 4 coats, but for the green one I did 5 coats because it was not looking that opaque as the color was pretty thin. So this is what the table looks like right now, and now it's time to peel off the tapes and see if everything looks the way I wanted it to. Now honestly I'm a little scared because the tape did not stick properly to some places because it was very uneven. Like as you can see at this part, it did not stick properly because it's very uneven, right? So that's why I am a little scared that the color might have leaked inside the tape and maybe the lines won't be that clear. But for that I have a plan that I will like use the rest of the white paint to make it look clean. So yes, this is what the table looks like after all that hard work, and saying that I'm happy with this would be an understatement because honestly I'm so happy with how the table looks like right now. I can't express it, and I worked so hard on this that this table has become precious and priceless. There is just something so special about doing something by yourself or creating something by yourself, and I am so happy that I took over this and I painted it and made this look like this. So yes, I'm just so happy with the outcome, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and found it valuable. And if you have such a furniture item at your place that you don't like, maybe you can also do a makeover for it. And yes, doing something creative is always so much fun, right? and I have already started using this table, and right now as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm editing this video on this table itself. So yes, it's so much fun. So I really hope that you guys had fun watching this video, and if you liked what you saw, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.